An ideal pet door means freedom both for you and your pet, and they're so easy to install. All you need is a little guidance, and your pet will be able to come and go as they please in a matter of minutes. For this installation, you'll only need a tape measure, a pair of scissors, and your own hands. So let's get started. Begin by opening the box. Remove the roll of foam seal and poly bag containing the pin lock and set them aside for now. And take out the pet door frame. Remove and recycle the cardboard corners that secured the frame during shipping. Now raise the sash window upper panel to its fully open position and place the pet door assembly into the center of the windowsill. Gently turn the silver knobs counterclockwise to release the spring-loaded end spacers. Repeat for each side. Pet door should now fit into the window snugly on both sides. Turn the silver knobs clockwise now to tighten, but do not over-tighten. Now we will add the bumper seal we set aside earlier to the top of the door. First, take the measurement of the top of the aluminum pet door frame. Use this measurement to cut the bumper seal to the right length. Remove the roll of bumper seal from its poly bag. And cut it to the length of the top of the frame you've already measured. Now peel off the protective backing and attach the seal along the top edge of the pet door frame. Press firmly, keeping to the center of this frame in a straight line. Once finished, lower the top window panel firmly onto the pet door frame. In the next step, you will need to measure the distance from the inside edge of the window pane to the nearest point of contact with any lock. Take the flexible draft seal extrusion which is taped to the inside of the product box and cut the first piece to this measurement. Peel off the backing and press firmly onto the top of the window frame up to the glass so the flexible edge is just touching the glass. Repeat for each side of the lock. A middle section of seal may be necessary if two locks are present. If you choose to secure the top of the sash window frame, we've included an optional pin lock, complete with all the hardware and detailed installation instructions. To begin using the pet door, make sure the lock is in the open position. If it is a pet door which includes a locking slide, it must be removed for the pet to have access. Your pet door is now ready for use.